Today's guest is Sergey Ryzhavin, head of B2COPY at B2Broker. Welcome to the show, Sergey.
Hello, thanks for inviting me.
Thank you for coming on. We've been following B2Broker for a while and, learn a lot about your company. But before we get started learning about B2COPY, can you tell us a little about yourself and your journey in the industry?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I'm head of B2COPY department here at B2Broker. Yeah, so I'm in charge of making copy trading PAM and MEM solution, which helps traders and investors benefit from interaction with each other. Previously, I was working actually for almost all my life as a trader, as an employee of brokerage company, and past 10 years in B2Broker making fintech products. Yeah, so I have around, I don't know, 15, maybe 20 years of experience here in trading industry, and almost all my experience is like related to copy trading and PAN products.
That's great. Shows you have real experience from the other side. So before we get started,
from all sides, yeah, definitely. I've been 7 years as a self trader, and 5 years I was working in brokerage companies. Yeah.
Got you. Which type of trading did you used to do? Which instruments and time frames and all of that?
Actually, I've been trading mostly futures, but I also had experience. I've started initially with Forex. Yeah, so I've been trading Forex for 1 year or 1.5, something like that, when I was a student. And later I switched to stocks and futures. Actually, I've traded most of my life futures.
Got you. Yeah, it's a great instrument for people that are capable to handle the leverage that it offers. I'd say like that.
Yeah, yeah. So I prefer to trade gold, oil, and indices. So that's where my favorite instruments.
Gotcha. So before we get started with understanding B2COPY, can you explain just in general copy trading and what does it mean both from a user perspective and from the broker perspective?
Yeah, sure. Actually, copy trading, it's a product that has transformed the way people invest in the markets. Yeah, it has lowered the barrier to entry for millions of traders, allowing them to participate in markets with minimum efforts and without spending years for mastering their trading strategies, learning all the technical analysis, watching videos, like improving their disciplines, all that stuff. Yeah. Now investors, they can just go to brokerage website, go to leaderboard, search for good traders, find 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, and follow them. And once they follow their strategies, next trade of these traders will be copied, automatically replicated on their accounts. And the best thing here is that first of all, copy trading removes all the stress from the traders because they don't do any decision making while they're just receiving these signals. And also they like convert their accounts, standard accounts, into super powered accounts, because they can not only trade on the accounts which is following these professionals. Yeah, they can also trade their own positions there, so they don't need to split money between personal account for personal trading and the account which is following strategies of professional traders from the leaderboard. No, they can use the single account. They can follow few traders and make some sort of investment portfolio from them. And when they see the opportunity, for example, in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tesla stock, whatever, yeah, instrument, because usually all of them are available in brokerage companies. So when they see the opportunity, they can open their own position. So this makes the copy trading exceptionally good for retail investors. And in the investors, these guys can be not only like passive investors who are looking for investment opportunities. No, that can be like simple traders, yeah, because market itself, financial markets, it's like a pump of money from those who lose to those who win. Yeah, because when you open a position, when you buy a Bitcoin, somebody sells you Bitcoin at that price. When you sell it, somebody buys it from you. Yeah, so everybody cannot benefit at the same time, all 100% of traders. No, some people lose, some people win, and majority are losing money here. So brokerage companies has majority of clients who are losing. And when you lose once, twice, second, third, 3 times, 4 times, then maybe you will stop investing. And brokers can increase retention rate by offering that types of clients who are actually traders. They can offer them the investment opportunity. Hey guys, just go to leaderboard, follow traders, and just benefit from following those traders who can trade in profit, who can make profits on financial markets. So that's for investors. For traders, it's a bit different story. Yeah, so when you self-trader, it's very hard to earn enough profit in absolute values, in dollars. You can earn 100% or 200% of profit, yeah, but it can be like hundreds of dollars, not thousands, not hundreds of thousands of dollars. For example, let's just imagine you are a trader, you opened a trading account, and you've made a deposit of $10,000, even not five or something like that. No, $10,000, good amount of money. And throughout of year, you spent a lot of time and efforts for trading, and you earned 100% of profit of return. Yeah. But in dollars, it will be $10,000. $10,000 divided by 12 months, it's how much? Around $800. So it doesn't work. It will not buy you a car. It will not rent you a flat. It will, it's not the life of your dream. Yeah, you can be like a ex-student or even a student. You can go to fast company. You will get more salary than from this trading account. Yeah, so it's very hard to be a self-trader, which makes enough money for living from the trading itself. But if you are signal provider in a copy trading, you can earn not only from your money you've invested, but you also can earn a percent of profit from those clients who are following you. If they make profit, you make too. And if you are followed by, I don't know, hundreds of investors who invest $500,000, and it's not super crazy amount. No, we have examples when one master can be followed by $1 million, $2 million, and we even sold $20 million assets under management for one master account. So if you have investors with $500,000 and you've made 40%, it means that you've made for them $200,000. And if you receive a 1/3 of that profit, it will be $70,000. It's very different. Yeah. So it's very different for traders when you earn money on your own money, or you earn money for everybody, for investors, and you get a percent from their profit. And brokers actually, they benefit from increasing the turnover. Yeah, so they increase the turnover because clients live longer and they can reuse their traders. They have bigger retention because if clients are losing all that 80%, yeah, of clients who are self-traders, they can help them to stay in company by offering them another product. Not just go through another bootcamp course, how to trade whatever strategy or develop some expert advisor. No, but like very different approach how to make money on the market by following those who can trade. So this is a copy trading.
Yeah, it's interesting. I was thinking about the fact that it helps, making your first trade, because it's usually very psychologically daunting, right? Like you're afraid to do, if it's a serious amount of money for you, you're afraid to take the first step, right? And having someone.
I personally wasn't afraid to make my first step. I was super excited to make my first step. I had $200 on my first account, and I just remember it. I opened the position, and it goes in my direction, and I earned 100% of profit, like in next 4 hours. And I almost saw a Ferrari staying near to my house. But fast everything was high leverage. So yeah. So first step is not difficult. Difficult is just to make it like
Make it sustainable over years. Yeah.
sustainable. Yeah. So this is the first trade, not difficult. You are super excited. Your first trade.
Mhm. Yeah, but no, it's very interesting. What you talked about, it's basically opens up, let's say, a career avenue as a financial influencer, where you don't need to, sell anything, but rather people can see your results and follow you, and you directly benefit from that. So that's a very interesting, I think, opportunity for a lot of people.
Yeah, and actually, if you're an influencer, because copy trading can work for good traders, even if they do nothing. Yeah, if they just sign up with a brokerage company and show up themselves in leaderboard. That's sometimes enough. But if you're an influencer, you can earn even more, because a lot of companies are offering some sort of partnership opportunities when you can have your own partnership link. You can be introduced in broker. It's called introducing broker. Yeah, the model of relationship between this influencer and brokerage company, and brokerage company provides you a special link, and you just offer your clients who are watching your videos, maybe passing through your courses, to go through this link, sign up with a brokerage company, and then brokerage company starts paying you also for volumes that clients are making. So they can be subscribed to your account, and they will pay you performance fee, and plus you will earn something from volumes. Or they can trade on their own, and you will still earn something from volumes. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty great product in terms of opening opportunities. It's really career opportunities. You are not just self-trader anymore. Now you're a hired trader. You can just consider yourself like this.
Yeah, it's a combination between a trader, an influencer, and let's call it a community leader, because
Yeah.
you can also make moves. I wonder, like, how many followers do you think someone should have in order to consider this as like you said, a career, like that, something that will earn you more than McDonald's, right? Like how many followers do you think somebody who's just starting out need to consider it, like a career opportunity?
Actually, it's not about number of people. Yeah, it's more about their quality, the number of money, amount of money that are following you. But usually, the journey starts from around 100 or something. Yeah, so when you have 50,000 and more of assets under management, yeah, of people who are following you, then it starts very interesting for the trader. And when it surpasses $200,000, it's super interesting.
Yeah, so I think with that, we already got people listening excited, thinking, okay, this is very interesting. So let's dive into your own solution. What makes B2Copy different from any other copy trading platform that's out there in the world?
Look, first of all, it's first cloud-based copy trading solution. Yeah, and we host it in Amazon Web Services. So it's scalable, it's fully cloud hosted. So our clients doesn't need to manage anything, any physical service, virtual service, whatever. So they don't need to hire any staff or managing hardware, software. We are deploying it, updating it, maintaining it, scale when it needs. Yeah, so we use all modern technologies which are related to the cloud SaaS services. So Kubernetes, Docker, it helps us for making containerized applications and seamlessly scaling them when it's needed. Yeah, so if we see that load is increasing for broker, we can scale up number of services which he is using, and it will help to just maintain without any delays and disruptions, good quality and good speed, reliability of the service itself. We use PostgreSQL, SQL as a database for our solution. It's also reliable and super scalable, and just was made for handling high transaction volumes. Yeah. The services are written using Golang language, which is optimized for the backend, high-load backend solutions. Yeah, so everything we are doing is made for handling good and big load with high speed and perfect reliability and stability. Our solution supports actually the most popular trading terminals like MT4, MT5, and C-Trader. So we're covering, I don't know, 95% of brokerage companies because they are using that free trading terminals for serving their clients. And we have widgets which can be embedded to the websites of brokerage companies. So their clients can follow traders just straight from the website or from their client area. And our solution is also seamlessly integrated with our CRM solution of B2Broker, yeah, which is called B2Core. When clients buy B2Core and B2Copy, they have like synergy from two great products. They have perfect UI, it's modern, it's unique, smooth, convenient for users. Both solutions are seamlessly integrated to each other. Yeah, so clients are using electronic wallets and other CRM. They can make deposits, withdrawals from these wallets to their investment accounts, in copy trading, PAM, MEM, whatever product they use in B2Copy. Plus, if it's used with our CRM, B2Copy is seamlessly integrated out from the box without any additional steps with our IB module, this partnership model, which pays partners some rewards for trading volumes of clients who are using copy trading or other products. Yeah, so it's perfectly integrated and works with all the products within B2Brokers ecosystem.
Great. So you mentioned a lot of features there of B2Copy. Let's try to follow up on a couple of these and break it down. You mentioned that it's a cloud-based platform. Can you explain why a cloud-based platform? What's the advantages does it give? Is that just the scaling, or what's the reason to choose a cloud-based platform over something else?
First of all, reliability. Yeah, so we use Amazon Web Services, which is just like top tier hosting provider. So it provides the highest uptime from any other hosting services. Yeah, so that's point number one. The second thing, because of technologies we are using, we can scale the product without any downtimes. Yes, we can deploy it very fast. Yes, we can update without downtimes, but we also can scale it without any downtimes. Yeah, for our clients. So we see that load is increasing. Yeah, we can add additional instances without any disruptions to the copy trading itself. Yeah, so clients will not feel that we're doing something with the infrastructure. It's very important. It's very important for the brokers that we provide this solution as a service for them. Yeah, so it's copy trading as a service. It's very different when you buy a software and then you need to maintain and host it on your own because you need a DevOps engineer for it. You need to pay him a salary. Yeah, so but in our solution, we made a lot of different automation around it. Yeah, and actually client needs just to pay us fee, which is just like similar to any other company who provides that kind of solutions, but hosting and maintenance is included in our price. Yeah, so it makes very different. It makes it $5,000-$10,000 cheaper if you compare it to price of competitors plus salaries of those engineers who will be serving and monitoring all the services, which is hosted in your company privately. Yeah, so it's different. And multi-region cloud ensures that we have the smallest delays possible to trading service itself, the smallest latency, and the highest reliability as well. Yeah, so even if something happens with one of our clusters, another one will survive, and again, trading will not be disrupted by this incident. We will recover the cluster later, and they will work together in future, but it will not disrupt anything. So it's super stable in all and every aspect, and it can handle a lot of load because we can scale it on the fly.
Yeah, those are some great advantages for, both big and growing brokers. Okay, so you mentioned you don't need some of the developers on your side as a broker. Can you tell us, what team do you need? If you're getting into it, if you want to run this solution as a broker.
Yeah, actually, you don't need developers, you don't need system analysts and DevOps who will monitor the infrastructure, yeah, but you still need a team to get most from this business. Because copy trading, it's not just like a feature, it's like a more entire ecosystem that requires the right people behind. And while the technology automates the trade replication, trade copy, a broker still needs a dedicated team to ensure that everything runs smoothly from execution to client success. Yeah, and on one hand, they need people who monitor the trading servers and the trading execution to ensure that everything works smoothly without delays. And they monitor exposure on liquidity providers, yeah, because it's also very important when it comes to copy trading. Because when you dealing with individual accounts, it's one thing. When you're dealing with copy trading, where one account can be followed by hundreds and thousands, then you need to care about exposure itself, about this liquidity. Also, it's important to care about client support and education. So it's not just enough just to provide the copy trading platform. Clients need to know how to use it effectively, not just from the technical point of view, like where to click, what screen to see, yeah, but strategically how to choose the trader, how to analyze his trading strategy. And brokerage company benefits tremendously from having a team that educates uh, traders how to build and execute strategies that can become popular. And on other hand, how to choose and how maybe guide investors how to select right traders, diversify their portfolio, maybe set risk parameters for copy trades. Yeah, because investors have opportunity to change the risk ratios. Yeah, so they can copy super great. If they copy aggressive strategy, they can decrease their risk ratio. Yeah, so they can copy aggressive traders with small risks because they don't want to lose all the money when the trader do. Yeah, it's aggressive strategy. If investor copies super conservative trader who has maximum drawdown like 3%, 5%, they can increase risk ratio to make copy his position with double. Yeah, so all that small things should be told to beginners, to people who are not involved in deeply in copy trading itself, yeah, who are newbies to that kind of activity. Yeah, also brokerage companies need to hire marketers who will help to make this product popular, and it's not always about like general marketing as for any other products, but I suppose the most underrated idea and activity that can do a brokerage company is email marketing. It's super effective marketing. Um, like a super simple yet powerful strategy is just to send weekly or monthly emails showcasing the best performing traders on the platform. Yeah, so it's not only highlights success stories, but also encourages investors to explore new opportunities and increases their activity. Yeah, so you receive an email which shows like, hey, the top three traders, yeah, this guy made 10% past week, that five, that 3%. Hey, please, go. So it will remind your client base that you have this product, and it will help to increase the popularity of it. So companies who are not buying the software but also make something around it, they benefit a lot. We saw a lot of examples when companies bought software from us, they did nothing. They didn't do any marketing. They didn't do any activity on it. They didn't make just even in their personal accounts. They just bought the software and then told us in 6 months, oh, sorry, guys, it's not popular on our client base. Nobody needed actually. So that's not the right way how to do it. We saw, on the other hand, a lot of examples, yeah, and we dealt a lot with also startup brokers, because one of our core products in our company was and is actually as a turnkey brokerage. Yeah, when we just set up a new company with all the technical infrastructure for entrepreneurs who wants to run their own business. Yeah, and we saw a lot of examples when these companies were made around the B2COPY solution, and they reached really great volumes when there was a team behind this product. So copy trading can become a core product for a company itself.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, especially if you're focusing obviously on new people that are just, coming into your brokerage, right?
Yeah.
You got to give them an easy way. Maybe I'm more a conservative in nature, right? I think like the getting started, that's the hardest part. So I think, yeah, definitely, if you have a team that can educate how to use social systems, that can help a lot in growing. But like you said, it's not something you can neglect. You have to make sure that this is central.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Make the first step, maybe just make some education behind it. Yeah, so email newsletters for those who came and made just their first subscription or something like that. Also, it's very powerful and also underrated between brokerage companies to convert their existing traders into signal providers, because from my perspective, it's super cool. Yeah, so imagine you have your own brokerage company, you have traders inside of it. Yeah, so they making trades daily, thousands of these clients, yeah, who just opened standard accounts. And then you buy a B2COPY from us and just provide an opportunity for your clients to become signal providers or investors. And when you do, you have 0 clients in it. Yeah, so you have empty leaderboard. Companies should go to their existing clients and say, hey, John, we saw that you are earning money on your personal account. Let us make it signal provider and place it in our leaderboard. If you continue earning money, you will get percent from the profits of your investors. If you lose, nothing happens with you. Actually, it's you will lose only your money. Yeah? So if you win more. If you lose same amount as you just supposed to do. Do you want to become a signal provider and get paid for your job at the end of the month? I believe 90% of people will say yes, because they are risking with nothing else except their own money on the same account where they do the trades. So even that small action helps our customers to populate their leaderboards. So it's really great. I'm surprised that not all companies, just few, despite we are talking to them.
Yeah, it's a win-win, right? A three-way win for the traders, for the followers, and for the brokers. So
yeah. So unlimited opportunities here, unlimited. It's actually despite of being pretty much old product in terms of fintech products, yeah, first copy trading solutions were developed in early 2010s or maybe even earlier. So it's around 15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago. Yeah, something between. So it's old product. But despite of being old product, the popularity is growing year to year. And the past year, it's grew up by 20 or 30%. So some between these numbers. Yeah, it depends on statistics you watch. It's double-digit numbers, and it starts not from one, so it's from two or from three. Yeah, so 20% and more popularity growth from year to year.
Yeah, I can imagine why, because it's a great way to start. So you mentioned the platform that you're currently supporting. I think you said MT4, MT5, CTrader.
Yeah.
Are there any plans to add new platforms in the future?
Yeah, of course. And the next one will be B2Trader. It's our platform in B2Broker. Yeah, it's another our product trading platform. We will add this in 2025. Yeah, so it's our nearest plans. So, and maybe we will integrate more, but in 2026. So in 2025, in our roadmap, we have B2Trader.
That's cool. Yeah, should be I guess an easy choice for your clients to, if you're already offering the trading platform, why not also support it as a social copy option?
Yeah, so it's like a one-stop shop solution. Yeah, so you buy from us the trading platform, you buy from us CRM, client area, yeah, for your clients, corporate trading solution, payment system. So you get all the products under one roof, yeah, from us, and it's super convenient for clients. So yeah.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and we're making bundles now. Yeah, we're developing bundles, so it will be also beneficial for clients to buy more from us in one package.
Can you tell us a little bit about the customization options of B2Copy?
Yeah, sure. Actually, there are a lot of customization options inside of it. It starts from the logo and brand name. Yeah, so you will when you buy this platform from us, you will never see the broken some to copy. You will see on your logo, your brand name on every single page. Then we customize colors. You can customize all the words you can see in the interface. Yeah, so we have a special platform for translations, and we have around 20 or 30 languages supported out from the box. You can add more if you need to, or you can change any word you can see in interface for any language without any interaction even with our team. Yeah, so you can do it on your own. And this is like the level of customization number one. The level of customization number two. You actually can choose which products from B2Copy you want to offer to your clients. Most of these podcasts we were talking about copy trading, but there are also another products available with B2Copy. It's PAM accounts and it's MEM accounts. So copy trading is a perfect solution for retail clients, who wants to replicate trades from good traders, from profitable traders. PAM accounts, it's more about like providing traders opportunity to create their own investment fund. When all money of investors are combined into one big account and trader trades on this big account. So it helps traders to trade some unique strategies, which requires a lot of capital, like martingale strategy or something like that, without having huge risks. Yeah, so not all strategies can be traded on small accounts. So sometimes you need a lot of capital, and PAM accounts is a perfect product for it. It's not available in all jurisdictions, but still it's available in a lot of them, and it's very great for that kind of situations. And MEM is for private money management. So all the three products about providing opportunities for investors to join success of good traders, but in a bit different ways. So brokers can choose product that they want to use. Then layer number three of customization is to choose what clients can do and can see in their client interface. We have more than 150 different toggles for showing or hiding or limiting minimum maximum values for different aspects of the platform. Yeah, so you can show, for example, assets under management or hide it from the interface. You can show number of followers or hide it. You can show balance equity chart or hide it. You can show minimum deposit option or hide it. So a lot of different small things can be turned on or turned off or limited somehow inside of our platform with one click in admin panel. Layer number 4, email customization. Yeah, so brokers can customize their email templates and like from visual side, how they look like, and as well as the content and parameters which are placed inside of these email templates. Also, it's possible to customize account types, which are possible to open by clients. And when I say account types, you can open copy trading standard account, copy trading VIP, copy trading swap free account, something like that. Yeah, so not only just copy trading PMM, but also the types of copy trading and all aspects around that account types. Yeah, so different products have different default values in settings of our admin panel. So yeah, basically a lot of different things can be customized, and a lot of different things can be customized on the fly through admin panel, as well as like we have 6 types of only fees. Yeah, we have 6 types. It's when investor pays to master for his job. Yeah, for signal provider. It can be like percent from net profit. It can be dollars per lot for volumes. It can be like plan fee per month, day, week, like subscription fee, like you pay for Spotify or Apple Music. So you can turn it on, turn it off. A lot of different things inside of the UI. Super customizable, starting from the look and going back deeper to the backend.
Yeah, those are a lot of options, right? Will help both like established brokers to tailor it to look, match their style, and also for somebody that's starting out, they want to try out a new strategy that might be not covered yet in their region by another copy trader broker, right? Like I think it's interesting you mentioned the subscription based, where you just pay a certain number. I can definitely see how that's a unique offering, right?
Yeah. I also enjoy for some regions joining fee. It's a type of fee. It's like opt-in fee, one-time payment which investor makes in favor of a master when he joins his strategy. Yeah, so you pay, for example, $10 or $100 when you join a strategy, and this type of fee is charged immediately after subscription. It's just one time, not recurring payment, but it's charged from investor in favor of master. And if master works with IBs, with partners, then partner gets this some percent from this fee immediately after subscription. So he introduced investor to this master, and he gets he get paid immediately. So it's super cool. Some of our clients are big fans of this feature.
Yeah, these are great options for anybody who wants to, build a serious business around their trading. Let's say if you have a copy trading, Telegram channel or a Discord, I can definitely see how they can, greatly benefit from options like that.
Yeah, for sure. And all that telegrams and discords, it makes copy trading social trading. Now it's social. Now it's because you have some social interaction between clients. Yeah.
Great, Sergey. I think we learned a lot, but before we end the podcast, let's give you an opportunity to tell us a little bit more about the company, everything that you think people out there should know about it.
Yeah, sure. Actually, the B2 Broker is a group of companies which are technology and liquidity providers. So we provide technologies and liquidity to brokerage companies, hedge funds, and all fintech companies. Yeah, so we have we have the full package of IT solutions, which will help entrepreneurs to create their own brokerage company from scratch, starting from legal services and then go into B2Core, which is CRM, which helps clients to sign up with a broker. It has a lot of integrations with different KYC providers, payment systems. Yeah, so clients can go for KYC. They can open trading account in one of integrated trading platforms like MT4, MT5, CTrader, DXTrade, and etc. B2Trader. They can top up their accounts with payment solution from us, which is called B2B Pay. It's super popular. It's crypto processing. Yes, so brokers can accept payments in cryptos, which is super convenient. Then we either help to buy a license of trading platform, or clients can buy it from us, like white label of CTrader or B2Trader. And in order to be able to trade, clients need to have quotes there, and we offer liquidity. Yeah, so it's not only about quotes; it's about the flow of orders for buy and sell for different instruments. Yeah, and companies can hedge their risks with this liquidity as well. So when their client buys an asset, for example, a Bitcoin, this order goes to us, and we hedge this order for a brokerage company, so it doesn't risk its own money. B2Copy is a solution for copy trading, PAM and MEM, so it helps to multiply revenues from the trading activities of clients. Yeah, so we have a lot of products. We have liquidity, technical tech products, and which can help entrepreneurs to create their companies, or already existing brokerage companies to expand their business.
Thank you, Sergey. And anyone that wants to learn more about the company can go to the website. We're going to have the link in the description, or can listen to previous podcasts with Peter Boker. Thank you so much again, Sergey.
Yeah, thank you too. Thank you too. Bye-bye.